Audio. But today I'm going to show you how we can create an e-commerce website in few minutes. For that, we have to visit on the website Ecommerce. For that, we have to open our browser and in the URL, we have to search for Ecommerce. This will send us to this website. Okay. First, we have to log in, sign up, sign in the figure, choose an account. Mm, it will take some time to read it. Let me tell you that what Ecommerce do. Ecommerce is a website which creates an interface of a e-commerce website. Okay. Once you are done, your login is processed. You have to set up your things. You have to first set up your store name. Okay. Select the region of your country and the currency. Then next, a few more details like state, uh, city, and questions. Okay. After setting few questions, this equal website gives us this URL for our website. Okay, just click on next. Okay, so for that we have to create its screen. This is the dashboard for our equal website. So our basic website is created. Uh, from the dashboard, we have to go to the website, and we have to edit our site. Here you can see we have lots of templates. Uh, you can choose any template according to your needs. Suppose all the I will use this template, and you can see here we have lots of pre-built website is there. So if we need to edit, we can edit, we can edit the background, and for the titles, product name, and if the changes were made, we can here simply click on publish, Before publishing, we uh, review our website. So this is the small review of our website. Liquid is very responsive and it creates website for which is uh, responsive on the mobile phones also. You can just check the interface of what you can see on the phone when you open the site. Open the site. So you can see it's very smooth and you can now publish it. It will take some time. This is published. You can visit your site. This is the URL, your site. Yep. This is your e-commerce website that you have created in just few minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you.